In this practical, we will develop buffer zones around the points. In a previous session, we created some locations as seen in this surface. We will use the same locations to create buffers. Now we have locations layer and the OpenStreetMap. What we do is we create 50-meter buffer for each location. For that, we use the MMQGIS plugin. So we click the MMQGIS. Under it, we have create menu. From that, select the create buffers menu. Once you do that, you have this create buffers box. It asks input layer name. Input layer name is location. Here we have entered the radius we want and the unit. So unit is, for this example, we use meters. Buffer size, the radius size is 50 meters. Next important thing is we need to give output file name. Before giving output file name, we need to identify a place to save the file. So we will save it in desktop. And also we need to give a name for the shape file we are creating as buffers. We say buffers. Save. Now the name has given, now it is there. Now we have identify a place to save the shape file. Now we can create the buffer zones. For that, we click apply. Once I apply, you can see that the buffers have created. Buffers have created around the locations, 50 meters buffer. But the locations we can't see because now buffer layer is above the locations layer. So we bring the buffers layer down to the location layer. Then we can see the buffers. If you need the distance of different kind, again we can do the same exercise. Create buffers. Instead of 50 meters, this time we will create 30 meter buffer. Meters. And again I have to give a location where I am going to save. This time we give the name buffers 30 meters. Save. Now I have given the name, identify the file type and distance. Now I apply. So now it's coming here. Now location has again disappeared because the 30 meter buffer zones are above the locations layer. So I bring it down. Now I can see the buffer locations. Now I can see buffer zones of 30 meters as well as 50 meters. Because of the buffers, now I can, because of the buffers, now I cannot see the OpenStreetMap completely under the buffer zones. So it's necessary to make them transparent a little bit. For that, I'll make it opacity of 40%. Click OK. For other one also, make it opacity as the 40%. Click OK. Now buffers are transparent and OpenStreetMap can be seen through the buffer zones. Thank you.